How to renovate your garden fence. First, we need to ensure we're wearing correct PPE to protect us from any splashes or spills. An overcoat, gloves, and protective goggles are well worth putting on. To start, we need to give the fence a good brush to remove any loose debris. If your fence isn't new and looking grey, we can give it a new lease of life with Barrettine's Wood Reviver, which will restore the grey UV weather wood back to its original tone. Apply the Wood Reviver generously to the surface and leave for around 15 to 30 minutes. Before agitating the surface with a stiff brush before rinsing. To combat any future mould and mildew, apply Barrettine's Mould Mildew Cleaner, which is a fungicidal wash. Apply with either a brush or roller, allow to dry, then rinse 24 hours later after the fungicide has done its work. Leave the fence to dry, then we are ready to apply Barrettine's Premier Wood Protective Treatment. This is perfect for protecting pre-treated or pressure-treated timber that doesn't require a wood preservative. As an oil-based treatment, it has excellent water repellency. The water will just shed from the fence when it's raining. It is safe around plants and pets when dry, and is beneficial insect friendly too. It's available in 8 attractive colours including clear. Here we are using the light brown version. Apply 2 coats for maximum protection and best results. The fence is now fully protected from weathering and UV damage. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any queries on your garden project, please get in touch.